The power rule, how does this work? Looks like double exponents. The rule is, you see a power to another power, what do we do with that 4 and 2? We're going to multiply them. X to the 8th. And that's it. Same thing here. 5 to the, or x to the 5th to the 3rd power, we're going to multiply 5 times 3, and that's 15. If there's more than one thing going on here, well, we still have to do 2 to the 3rd power. We multiply the exponents. The coefficients here, we still have to take to the 3rd power, so that's 2 to the 3rd power, and then x, 4 times 3, is 12. Now we know what this 2 to the 3rd power means. It means 2 times 2 times 2. So my answer will be 8x to the 12th. Same story here. We're going to multiply the exponents. So my negative 4 still gets an exponent of 2. X to the 4th times 2, that's x to the 8th. So here, I think negative 4 to the 2nd power, that's negative 4 times negative 4, that's positive 16. X to the 8th. So let's do another one. Negative 3 to the 3rd power. Negative 3 to the 3rd power. For x, I multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. We think negative 3 to the 3rd power means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. That's negative 27. So my answer, negative 27, x to the 6th. So the coefficients, the big numbers, we're still taking to whatever power it asks us. The little numbers, the exponents, we multiply. Let's look at some harder ones. How do we do something like this? Let's take a look. Make this a little bigger here for us. Double exponents first, power rule first. So we look at this. We've got a couple of sets of problems to do here. We got this part, it's all getting raised to the 3rd power. And we've got this part, it's all getting raised to the 4th power. There's no coefficients here, so we just multiply. We might want to add the 1st power. That might help us out. We'll kind of see how that goes in class as we do this. So everything here is going to go times 3. So for A, 1 times 3, 3rd power. For B, 3 times 3 is the 9th power. And we're still multiplying this, so we'll put a little dot there for multiply. Our second set of parentheses, exponents times 4. A to the 2nd power times 4, that's A, the 8th power, and B, 4 times 1, that's the 4th power. Double exponents are gone, so we go back to our first rule. When you multiply variables, we add the exponents. So this is A, 3 plus 8 is 11, B, 9 plus 4 is 13. There's our answer. Crazy as that may be. Let's do it again. I put a little exponent of 1 for our A. So this exponent of 3 applies to every different factor in here. So negative 2 to the 3rd power. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That's negative 8. For my variable A, 1 times 3 is 3. For my variable B, 2 times 3 is 6. We're still multiplying this by everything over here, little times symbol. Over here, even power with a negative sign is going to make that positive. You may even think of that as a negative 1. That's kind of like negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. That didn't come out very well. Try that again. Erase, erase, erase. Let's see what this is. That negative 1 to the 4th power looks like this. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Some people may know this. Even number of negative signs means positive. So that's positive 1, negative sign, basically it's gone. For A and B, 1 times 4 is 4. So that's A to the 4th, B to the 4th. Now that all my double exponents are gone, I multiply the big numbers, add the little numbers. Negative 8. For A, 3 plus 4 is 7. For B, 6 plus 4 is 10. That's it. There's our answer.